Introduction. IBM Monitoring and Diagnostic Tools. Surely you have heard about IBM and IBM Monitoring and Diagnostic Tools. So you have a good understanding of the useful tools in your computer system and equipment. In this article, we will provide you with information about IBM Monitoring and Diagnostic Tools. Let's get started. What is the IBM Monitoring and Diagnostic Tools? An application running in Java or Node.js can be tracked for errors using IBM Monitoring and Diagnostic Tools. Health Center. Health Center can open a number of log and trace files for testing while using less computer time and memory. Updated agent files and fixes in version 3.0.11. New features in version 3.0.12 *. UI updates for MQTT connections, bug fixes and performance improvements for agent. The Health Center is in version 3.0.10. New in version 3.0.9 is the ability to execute the agent from outside your Java installation. Version 3.0.8 introduces new API methods. Asterisk integration with IBM Eclipse tools for Bluemix is new in version 3.0.7. Asterisk new events table visualizes HTTP data from Node.js updated in 3.0.6. Additionally, compatibility like Windows 10 has been introduced. New in version 3.0.5. New recommendations for network view. Updated in 3.0.4. Asterisk enables monitoring of IBM Bluemix applications from a network I/O perspective. Updated in 3.0.3. Asterisk Java and Node.js event-based APIs. Asterisk IBM support Node.js SDK 1.2 for HC clients. Updated in 3.0.2. Asterisk MQTT connections supported by Health Center. API applications written in Node.js can take advantage of the following perspectives. Asterisk blending native memory perspective. Asterisk method profiling perspective. Asterisk includes support for the IBM SDK, Java TM Technology Edition, version 8 in version 3.0.1. Formats for IBM Monitoring and Diagnostic Tools. The output from the IBM Monitoring and Diagnostic Tools comes in a variety of formats, including tables, charts, graphs, and suggestions. Complete the following diagnostic tasks using this output. Identify deadlock situations. Watch the thread's activity. See which processes are taking the longest to complete. View the objects that are consuming the most memory. Search for memory leaks and I/O bottlenecks. Examine the effectiveness of Java TM collections like arrays. Recognize the connections between the application's items. Visualize the effectiveness of garbage collection. Learn how to improve the Java Virtual Machines (VM) performance and the performance of your applications. IBM Monitoring and Diagnostic Components. The IBM Monitoring and Diagnostic Tools come in two pieces. An agent that gathers information from an active application. The Health Center agent keeps track of Java applications, supplied with IBM SDK, Java Technology Edition. The Node Application Metrics agent keeps track of Node.js apps, supplied with the IBM SDK for Node.js. The Health Center client connects to the agent and is an Eclipse-based GUI. The client analyzes the information gathered by the agent and offers suggestions to enhance the monitored application's performance. The client is accessible through IBM Support Assistant and as an Eclipse plugin, ISA. Depending on the application runtime environment, these two components can communicate over a JMX connection or using an MQTT broker, not provided. A single MQTT broker can be shared. You can use it to monitor several applications. Or multiple users can use it to monitor one or more applications. Application assistants to keep an eye on Java or Node.js applications. Use IBM Monitoring and Diagnostic Tools. Health Center. For supported SDK levels, consult the platform requirements. Applications that are active on an IBM Bluemix server can be observed. The Liberty for Java or SDK for Node.js runtime environments, which come with a monitoring agent by default, must be used to run the applications. See Runtimes Overview in the Bluemix manual for additional details on Bluemix runtime environments. Client Profile. A connection wizard is the first thing you see when the Health Center client launches. Then, you have a choice between the following actions. Make a connection to the active application after setting up the monitoring agent and enabling the application for monitoring. For more details, see Monitoring an active application. By closing the wizard, you can access a log file from the disk. To learn more, see Loading stored data. The Health Center client contains numerous views, each of which provides information on a distinct element of the runtime environment. It's possible that some views won't work in every type of runtime environment. The following are the possible views. Classes. The loading of class information. CPU. Utilization of the systems and the application's processor's environment. Information about the system and configuration of the monitored application. Collection of trash. Information about pause times in the Java heap I/O. Information about ongoing I/O activities. Locking. Information on disputes involving